Meditation 101, a straightforward guide for beginners. Welcome to Soulful Centered. Here we immerse ourselves into the path of achieving tranquility and self-awareness. As we embark on this journey together, let's dedicate a moment to comprehend what meditation truly is. Envision meditation as a tool to mute the ceaseless chatter of our thoughts. It acts as a pause button, enabling us to focus on the present. It involves seeking that quiet, soothing corner within us, which often gets overshadowed. It isn't about suppressing our feelings or thoughts. Instead, it's more about recognizing them without any judgment. That's when the unraveling process begins. Meditation facilitates the transformation into a silent observer, a passive spectator of our own inner cosmos. With continued observation, self-understanding improves. Various forms of meditation exist, each with its distinct procedure and benefits. Some methods endorse focusing on a mantra, others on breathing, and some even on physical sensations. However, our current focus will be on mindfulness-based meditation. This practice involves being wholly present, absorbing the happenings of the moment, recognizing the sensations coursing through your body, the thoughts filtering through your mind, the emotions stirring within, all without attempting to alter or judge them, embracing every moment as it unfolds, with openness and without preconceived notions. You might wonder why meditate. The reasons are as diverse as themselves. Some meditate for peace and tranquility, others for clarity and focus. While some seek to establish a connection with their inner selves, others aim to cultivate compassion and kindness. Regardless of the intention, the meditation journey ultimately leads to self-discovery, a kind of inner homecoming. Now that you have a basic understanding of what meditation is, let's delve into its plethora of benefits. Meditation, it's not just about relaxation. It can be seen as a journey, an exploration of self-discovery, an old practice tried and tested over time, like a scavenger hunt through our minds, our souls, unearthing treasures along the way. Some you'll feel immediately, others without you even noticing. Ready to dive in? Let's go. The first major benefit, stress management. We exist in a world that's always moving. Life is an unending cycle of duties and worries. It can feel like being in the midst of a storm, with stress winds trying to topple us. However, meditation acts as an anchor. It soothes our minds, slows down the commotion in our thoughts, and brings serenity in the storm. And research from Johns Hopkins University highlights that mindful meditation might be effective for psychological stress. Imagine just by quietly focusing on your breath, you combat extraordinary, isn't it? Next, concentration. In a world full of distractions, maintaining focus can feel like a struggle, like swimming against the tide. But meditation could be your secret weapon. By concentrating on a single thing, such as your breath, you're essentially exercising your attention span. A study in the Psychological Science Journal revealed that meditation can enhance focus and memory during verbal reasoning tasks. Intriguing, wouldn't you agree? But there's more to it. Meditation can also aid with self-awareness. It's like a mirror reflecting your mind, exposing thought patterns, revealing hidden facets of your psyche, helping you understand yourself on a deeper level. A study in the Journal of Consciousness Studies found that meditators reported increased self-awareness and a stronger grip over their thoughts. Moreover, meditation can boost your overall well-being. It could assist with sleep, lower blood pressure, even alleviate pain. The benefits are broad. A national health interview survey found that a significant proportion of long-term meditators reported experiencing less physical discomfort than non-meditators. Also, Harvard Medical School found that mindful meditation can help with insomnia and improve sleep quality. Appealing, isn't it? But it's not only about physical health. Meditation can also nurture a sense of joy, tranquility. It promotes a positive outlook towards oneself and others. It's akin to a gentle rain, nurturing the seeds of happiness and compassion within us. Backed by science, these benefits can truly influence our lives positively. However, remember, it isn't a shortcut. It's a discipline that requires dedication and consistency. The rewards might not be immediate, but when they appear, they make every moment spent in silence and introspection worthwhile. These benefits, they're merely the more you practice, the more you uncover. The vast expanse of meditation is awaiting you. It's brimming with gifts of peace, clarity, and self-understanding. So, why wait? Embark on this journey. The voyage within, it's a journey you won't regret. Now, let's prepare for our meditation journey. That seems a bit mystical, doesn't it? Yet it's actually quite simple. As we embark on this path of mindfulness, it's like setting up your workspace. Think of this as preparing a canvas for a masterpiece. And you, my friend, are the artist. First, find a spot. A quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. It can be anywhere you feel secure and undisturbed. It might be a tiny corner of your home, a spot in your garden, or even a park. This space acts as your personal retreat, a place where you disconnect from the world and connect with yourself. Now let's talk about what to wear. It's essential to wear something comfy, loose, and breathable. You don't want any tight clothing restricting you. Imagine soft fabrics to let your body relax and breathe easily. Next, posture. Whether you choose to sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down, the key is to keep your spine straight and breathe easily. Comfort is key here. You need to be relaxed yet alert. Patience and consistency are important. Don't expect immediate results. Meditation is like planting a seed and nurturing it with care. It might take some time, but the growth that will follow is worth the wait. Consistency is what will keep this seed growing. Make meditation a daily habit, like brushing your teeth or having breakfast. It's not about the duration, but the regularity that matters. Lastly, forget any preconceived notions about meditation. There's no one way to do it. It's a personal journey that will differ for everyone. Don't stress over doing it right. Instead, focus on what feels right for you. Remember, there's no need to be perfect. It's all about finding what works best for you. All right, let's begin our meditation journey. Find yourself in a comfortable position. You could be sitting, lying down, or even standing if that suits you. Take a moment to find your stillness. Do what feels best. It's essential that you're comfortable and relaxed. As we progress, remember, there's no perfect way to meditate. This journey is uniquely yours, and your meditation experience is one of a kind. To start, inhale deeply, feeling the coolness as it fills your lungs, causing your chest and belly to expand. Hold your breath for a beat, then gradually exhale through your mouth, noticing the warm sensation as the air leaves your body. Repeat this a few times, each breath slower, deeper. Experience the rhythm of your breathing, resembling the gentle ebb and flow of a calm ocean. During your breaths, thoughts enter your mind. That's natural. Our aim is to observe it, not to suppress it, to perceive these thoughts without judgment. When a thought arises, acknowledge it like a cloud passing in the sky. Then refocus on your breath, your anchor amidst the waves of thoughts. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your body respond to your breath. Experience the air entering, filling, and departing from you. This is the present moment. This is mindfulness. Continue with this process, anchoring on your breath. When your mind strays, redirect back to your breathing. Wandering thoughts are a part of the process. Don't be hard on yourself. Progress with your breaths. You might start feeling a sense peace. Embrace it like a warm, comforting blanket. This is the essence of mindfulness-based meditation. Now let's assess our bodies. Any tension, any discomfort? If so, let your breath heal it. Visualize the breath as calming energy, alleviating any discomfort or tension. Inhale, exhale. To wind up our meditation, let's take a moment to express gratitude. Gratitude for this very moment, the breath that sustains us, the peace around us. Gratitude for our bodies, our minds, this journey. Take another deep breath, in and out. Remember, meditation is about presence and awareness. It's about finding tranquility amidst chaos. As we conclude our meditation, carry this calmness with you. Let it guide you. Reflect on how you feel. Every meditation is unique. Your journey is solely yours. Every breath you take is a step towards a more aware, more serene you. Thank you for sharing this meditation journey with me. Let's pause for a moment to acknowledge this. You've completed your first meditation session. That's substantial. It's a stride that many don't make towards understanding yourself on a deeper level and finding a bit of serenity amidst the turmoil. This initial move, while it may seem minor, is quite significant. You've chosen to give mindfulness and tranquility a chance. Feel free to take pride in your accomplishment. Today you've done something that many hesitate to. you've embarked on a journey. It truly is a beautiful thing. It's the initiation of a process in which you're planting a seed of peace, a seed of mindfulness. The next phase involves nurturing this seed, providing it with the necessary care to flourish. That's where the journey continues. Meditation is about the experience, not the destination. It revolves around understanding who you are, acknowledging your strengths, confronting your weaknesses, and seeking equilibrium. It's about experiencing the present, savoring every second, and letting go of past and future concerns. There will be days when it's a breeze, and others when it's challenging. Remember, on those tough days, be gentle with yourself. It's not about becoming an expert in meditation, but about the practice and the journey. Maintain your momentum. Spare a few moments a day to just exist, to sit in silence, breathe, be in the moment. You'll find that every session brings you a step closer to a more peaceful, grounded state. And you're not undertaking this alone. We are here, guiding and supporting you throughout the journey. We're on this journey together, discovering the path within, one breath at a time. Thanks for joining Soulful Centered. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, continue to find peace on your journey within.